Hello! Video about testing the performance of Router Mini with Subaru Impreza WRX STi 2012. This is Router Mini, which includes a main unit and a remote control in the form of a smartphone. This is a tested auto. Check that the car is locked. Turn on the Router Mini main unit. Enter to the main menu of the remote control. The main options there is reading information from the key and from the car. Select the memory cell 2 in the menu. Press on the Reading from Auto button and touch the driver's door handle. Information about the key from the car is read and stored in the second memory cell. Now we come to the key. Click on the Read from Key button and write into the device's memory the information from the key. We come back to the car and check the quality and correctness of the recorded information about the key. Press on the Unlock button several times in this menu. As a result, the central lock of the car works and the doors are unlocked. Now we press on the Lock button. The central lock is reactivated and the doors are locked. Several times unlock and lock the car doors with the Router Mini remote control. As one can see, the central lock of the car every time works. Conclusion: Router Mini successfully works not only with the Toyota and Lexus specified models, but also with some models of Subaru. Thanks for watching.